All right, guys, welcome back to another video. This will be quick. I want to show you some cases for the Z Flip6. Now, this is a dummy unit here that was sent over to me, so I can do the reviews of the cases a little earlier before the devices come in, because I know a lot of you guys like to buy your cases ahead of time like I do. So they sent over some dummy units for the Flip6 and the Fold6, and I'll be showing you some content on that as well. But here it is right here. This is what the Flip6 is going to look like. Pretty much just like the Flip 5, but we got some cases here. And I can't wait to show you this one. I've got more cases too that I'll be showing, but I want to go ahead and showcase them now to you, some of them now to you, so you can get a feel of what you might want to purchase. And this is just the instructions and some other literature in there. But the case is what you want to see. And this color is so nice and eclectic. I really like it a lot. I'm glad that case manufacturers are doing just different colors, period. So here is the case itself. As you can see here, this is from i-Blason. I'll be bringing you more brands as well. But this case is really sturdy, folks. It's more sturdy than I thought it was going to be. I saw the initial documents on it, and I thought, wow, that might be a little, but nope, it feels way better than it looks, I would say. Obviously, you got the magnet there. It also has a kickstand, so in those days you want to video chat or do whatever you want to do, film yourself in different orientations, you can do so. Obviously, you can see here, this is spring loaded on here, spring mechanism on here. And then you have the foam where it goes in as well. So let's go ahead and pop this bottom portion on here. And I'll go ahead and peel this off, even though this is a dummy unit. But what I won't do is take this portion off, because that'll be for when I actually get my phone in. Here. And let's pop this. Let's go ahead and, even though it's a dummy unit, let's go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Get it a little. What color did you get? I got the 512, that new black color. It's going to be really nice. So if ever you're in doubt about these, you can either slide them on, or just kind of, when you have your real device, just pop them on somehow. There you go. This will fit right around the camera module. So that is just a beautiful, this color is so sick, man. And this case is really nice. I cannot wait to use this on my real unit that is incoming. So the buttons, even though this is a dummy unit, you've got clickiness for tactile feedback, and that's going to be the power button and fingerprint reader there. Then you got the specific cutouts for the cameras, which I really like. And I'm just really in awe of this color. This color is very eclectic and very different. Let me see if there's a color listed on here for it. So this is a form of gray, it says. This is really nice, man. I really like this. And again, here's that kickstand. On those days you want to film yourself and use the front camera like at an angle like this for a vlog, you totally can do that with this case right here. And then obviously opening it up, you've got hinge protection right here. And this has a screen protector built in, so you don't need to put anything else on there if you don't want to. And this just an overall look at the case itself. Really nice. Little subtle branding right there. Nothing too crazy. And it works. This color, though, in person, wait until you see this in person. If you were thinking about getting something, this is a form of gray, they're saying, a teal gray or tie gray or something like that. It is really nice. You can see, obviously, the cutoff for the cameras right there, and it's looking really good. So now I want to show you another case, one more that they sent over. And this one is a blue color right here. This is their armor box. And it says teal, but it really looks like a nice blue. And this is that more rugged series that they have. Really nice, because you get this case here, this basically a protector holster or whatever, which doubles also as more protection for the case. You can see how different this is. Now this one here, obviously it has a little texture inside here. You got this big button here. I don't know anybody that uses these anymore. I typically use them sometimes, but not on my belt clip. If I do it, I would do it with a phone like this, because this phone is small. But that's there for you. It's there. And you got real subtle branding right here from i-Blason. That's really nice. Nice touch. But here's the case itself. And again, it's following that same design element, but this is just a little bit more rugged. And you're probably thinking, well, Jay, man, this one's rugged. This one is rugged, but this one has like different grips around the side, bigger corner stops, just different things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one on as well. And this one does have a kickstand as well, just a different form of a kickstand. Still operates the same, just like the other one. And again, that spring-loaded mechanism on here to where it'll stay closed when it's not in use. And you've got armor box on the inside there, and you got armor box on the outside. Little full carbon fiber going around this side here. Subtle i-Blason branding right there, and it's just very, very nice. You got a little grip on this portion here, so let's go ahead and pop this off. Now, I typically on my Z Flip devices, I typically pull from these corners like this when I'm doing getting a case off. Let's see how this one's going to do. I got to slide this one, I think. All right, the bottom portion came off pretty simple. And that portion comes off. So let's go ahead and, again, peel this portion off. Peel this portion off. And let's go ahead and just pop it on like so. And again, I'm not going to take that other portion off because I'm going to use these for my own personal device when it comes in. Let's see here. I might have to slide this one like I did the other one. There you go. And it kind of snaps. Snap and slide. That's what you need to remember. Snap and slide. And for the bottom portion, though, you can just probably just slide it on like that. And then boom, it is on. This blue is just so beautiful. Really good looking setup here. And again, that kickstand, if you want to vlog or just do whatever you want to do, you have the ability to do so. And even sit it in this orientation as well, like so. And then again, you have for video chatting, you can do it like this with both cases. This one will probably be a little bit more strong because the kickstand comes out this way on the bottom. And you got a nice grippy texture here, but you've got that hinge protection. You know, you got the hinge protection. This one's a little bit stiff. It might be a little brand new, but yeah, still, here they are, man. These are cases for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip6. And I'll bring you coverage. This is a dummy unit for the Z Fold 6. I'm kind of glad I ordered. You know, it's just a different feel and hand than the previous generation. I know this is a dummy unit, so the real phone will weigh a little bit more. But I definitely like how this one feels. So I'll get into that later. I'll get into both dummy units later. But there it is, folks. Cases for your brand new Galaxy Z Flip 6. Check the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.